Hello everybody, my name is Gibson. Today I'm going to be playing Puppets and Guts. Oh, hello, Jeffy Rosen Martin. I'm going to take this out of Jeffy's Infinite Iridia, even though Jeffy's Infinite Iridia didn't really fully release. Only Shucks did. But now you're just a puppet. What? I didn't read what that said. The Aether presents in association with Super Mario Funkin is bored. Wanna play? Friday Night Funkin. Copyright music. So if y'all hear a little weird, that's why. Setting. What? I don't want no. I don't want to edit the chart. I do not. No. No. How do I get back out of this? Enter, okay.
Three, two, one, go!
We're back to normal, alright. Oh, no, that's here, never mind. Aether. Hopefully this is not as bad as Shucks is. Not
Three,
like,
two, one, go!
bad me playing it, sorry. Never mind. brother. That's actually a pretty good song, though. Is it over? Done with? No. I went down that far. What if I said something you like? You would probably get punched, Jeffy. Bravo. They haven't pushed us down our throats enough. Okay, I'll think of the other mods. Alright, so that's that. Give me a second. Let me just calm down after that. That was fun. And then, yes, I did spam. Y'all can kill me in the comments if you want, even though I doubt any people will see this because my channel's small. But I try to post a lot of stuff for popular, but it gets overshadowed by bigger fish. Yeah, but thank you for watching this. Thank you a lot for watching this. And yeah. Y'all are really thanking me for not thanking me. I'm thankful y'all watch these. Cause it's like a little hobby of mine I like doing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.